What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video. Now, Emoney is preparing for his 40th birthday party, and he is planning so big. Yes, planning something out of the ordinary. You know, it's not easy doing two phases of life at his particular age and growth. And yes, he's very right, celebrating it wherever he wants to celebrate it and however he wants to celebrate it. Anyway, this video will be more about talking. We'll do more about talking, but also we'll share some very exciting clip about the lifestyle of Emoney from when he started his journey, the first time, some of the first things he did according to how he shared them recently. Anyway, the big boy decided to share how his journey to success has been all this while and how he has been struggling. He thought, just to show you that he did not just wake up one morning and became so rich and influential. He shared some beautiful moments with top politicians in this country. He shared some beautiful moments with ex-Nigerian presidents, senators, and the rest of others. All of that is what we'll be bringing to you in this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know very well that we love you so much and we appreciate your comment here on the video. The video clip you just watched is a regular way Nwata na Yoeze always comes out at this present time in his big way, in a very big way. Now, this guy said he got his first car in the year 2000. In the year 2000, he bought his first car, and in the year 2002, he got a second car. Like, that's how the process has continued. He said, according to him, on a live video on Instagram, he said in the year 2003 he went to travel abroad for the first time for holiday, though he did not disclose the particular location he went to abroad. And also, that is how the success have been coming all through the way, meeting politicians, meeting great people, expanding this business, and loads of others.
All eyes. I beg you, I leave here. Okay, man. The baby so come qua. Kennedy, the American with me. And then no. Oh, Maria.
There's this saying that life actually begins at 40, which means Nwata na Yoeze is just at the prime of starting his first life, you know, start enjoying the real life, and you know, start exploring the greater and the bigger things. Well, if you believe that, in the comment section, please let me know, because I don't understand which other part of the life he wants to live after all of this beautiful enjoyment, celebration, you know, money spending, you know, appreciation, uplifting people, this guy celebrates his birthday on the 18th of February every year, and a whole lot of people are being blessed on a daily basis. He tries as much as possible to put smile in the society, to bless people. So I don't know how this life is starting at 40 for him, but anyway, we are here and we will definitely see how beautiful the life will be. What else can we say but just to say it has been a beautiful journey for Dr. Emoney, Emeka Okonkwo. And if you could check this is journey, one thing you need to observe is that the first woman he started with right from the onset is the same person he actually maintained up to when the success peak. And as he's celebrating his 40th birthday, we all know definitely a whole lot of giveaways is going to happen, and it might be you, it might be me, it might be someone around us, or it might even be a close family member to the Nwata Noyeze family. Anyway guys, I don't know if I did justice to this explanation, but thank you for watching the video up to this time. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. See you guys on my next video.